Yeah, I'm in the process of banging the main housing for the bearing out. I'm using this funny looking thing that, well, came with this ball joint press I rented. The press itself you can't use, but I get this for the adapter so I can hammer, have what I need to hammer out the body. It's sitting right up against here. Yeah, in there. Should come out real soon. There it is. All right. And to the car manufacturers, every fucking wheel bearing on a car should be a bolt-on wheel bearing assembly. This press in and out shit is fucking bullshit. Figure it out.